Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel and sneak peek day 2 of our upcoming January 30th release. We're showing you the rest of the release today as a little peek to get ready for release day, which is tomorrow. So let's jump right in. Okay, you probably saw on the intro to this video, there's a little bit of a dinosaur theme going on for today's sneak peek. And that is the case. We have a dinosaur themed sneak peek for you today. And we're starting off with Partysaurus, this cute 3x4 stamp set featuring this dinosaur right here with a party hat on each one of his scales. Isn't that so cute? So clever. You have 3 sentiments in this set. Have a dynamite birthday, happy birthday, and Partysaurus, as well as a little balloon. There's a coordinating die set, of course, to go with. And I like to point out that this particular die right here that says have a dynamite birthday, it's going to cut out each of those words individually. That way you can arrange those words exactly how you want to fit your card. Here are the images in this set stamped out. It is so cute. I mean, this is darling. It's so fun. And you can color it up to go for any kind of birthday theme that you like. Go traditional colors, bright colors. You could do some soft pastels and really have fun with this image. So I think he's really fun and at a great price point for a smaller stamp set and coordinating die set. So, you know, it just makes your money go a little bit farther when you have these smaller sets you can get. And so I love that. All right, let's take a look at a card made with this set. Here we have a little peekaboo card. I've used all of the stamps on this card. So you've got the dinosaur, have a dynamite birthday, Partysaurus. There's the balloon. And then the peekaboo part, you can see the dinosaur from the outside and the inside of the card, as well as happy birthday on the inside, and it's hidden by this top piece. So it's kind of a fun little way to do a card and have the party continue on the inside as well as the outside of the card. And I put the face on here from our Emergency Card Essentials die set number 1, and that's where these circles and scallop came from as well. Also, here is some of our new sparkle spots I showed you in yesterday's sneak peek. I'll show you again today in case you missed that. So there's our very first dinosaur set for this release. We have another one. Let's take a look at that one next. It is a bigger set at 4x8, and of course coordinating dies to go with. We have a little couple here. Look, they're making a heart with like the sun or the moon behind them. I think it's the moon. It's got like little hearts as the craters. You've got your little trees. We have this guy who's being lifted up by heart balloons. This one looks like a little baby dinosaur holding a heart. You've got your T-Rex, and he's using some grippers because his arms are so short. And then these two trying to hug. See, we have the sentiment here, hug me. I'm trying. We also have your Rarsome, your Dynamite, your Terrific, you're the Triceratops. I love you this much. You make my heart soar. This one is the Terrific Dinos stamp set, and here is the coordinating dies. You've got dies to cut out all of the sentiments, even the teeny tiny ones, as well as all the dinosaurs. So there's nothing in this set that does not have a die to cut it out. Isn't that fabulous? Okay, let's take a look at those images stamped out. Here they are, ready to go, ready to be colored and put on a card. It is too cute. I love this set. It is so fun. This right here, Hug Me, I'm Trying. You could also put Hug Me on the balloon. I think that would be really cute. You could use Hug Me, I'm Trying with this little image as well. So lots of versatility. You can use it for a birthday, Valentine's Day, of course. Really a lot of different ways you can use these sets, even though a lot of them can be used for Valentine's. You can use them longer than just that holiday, which is what I love about these sets. So if you love the dinosaur theme, I have a standalone die set I'm going to show you before I show you the card samples because it's in the card samples. So we're going to look at that next. It goes with all of the things. It's called Petite Prehistoric Pals. And this has got all of these little silhouette shapes of different dinosaurs, even a woolly mammoth. There are 9 pieces in this set. Here you can see what they look like die cut out and the actual size. Aren't they cute? So much fun. There's a lot you can do with these. And I'm going to show you some cards that I will have videos for coming up, but this is going to give you some great ideas. Let me leave the die set in here so you can kind of see that and take a look at this card where I made these into circus cookies with some craft foam and some of our shaker pop beads. So just giving them that really fun candy look. For my sweet friend, this is giving you a little peek at the last product I'm going to show you, or dice, stamp and dice that I'm going to show you. I also use the dinosaurs as a background here. Oh my goodness, I love this. The little circus cookies, I can't get enough. I love it. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Here they are just die cut out. They are spritzed with some Distress Oxide spray. And then we've got some in the background. Again, I'm going to have a video on how I did all of these dinosaur cards that I'm showing you. Okay, next we have some die cut out, and here I've covered them with diamond dots. My sister sent me some of her extras she does diamond dot painting. I do not, and so I use them to cover these. I also use them to make a background. Lots of fun with this die set. Here I use them to make a shaker, and there you can see that dinosaur with the balloons from the Terrific Dinos stamp set, and You Make My Heart Soar, also from that set. And then we have our shaker pop, our new colors here in this shaker. The two different shades of pink, green, and orange. I'll show them to you here at the end. And then here's another new thing right here. This is from the new Simply Sentimental set. Let me show that to you. It is amazing. I have been wanting this. Here's the dies. Here's the stamp set. The Simply Sentimental sets are always this, well, not always. We've had a couple smaller ones, but the 4x8 size. So this is Simply Sentimental Friend. We have 4 large sentiments in here that say, or have a play on friends. So we have friendship, friends, another font with friends, and also friend. And then we have all these sub-sentiments or supporting sentiments that you can use to turn these into a sentiment on your card. You've got a friend in me. Your friendship means so much. There's nothing like a friend. I can always count on you, friend. I'm so lucky to have you as a friend. I'm always here for you, friend. I am here for you always, friend. Sorry, I was making up my own sentiment. Friends are the family we choose. Best friends, amazing, wonderful, so you could do for my wonderful friend, for my amazing friend. It takes a long time to grow an old friend. So you may have seen this on some of my cards. And this is the coordinating die. Now, what is really cool about the coordinating die set for Simply Sentimental Friends and any of our Simply Sentimental sets is this is also a standalone die set. So you take the shadow layer and you can cut out your stamped sentiments, but it's also the base layer if you want to die cut out the word. So you have choices between die cutting only your sentiments or having the stamped die cut combo. So here's what they look like die cut out in color, so you can get a feel for that. And then we're going to go back through my samples in just a minute so you can see where I've used these. But I do have one card that just features this right here. Your friendship means so much to me. So all of these are the stamped images, and this one is die cut, right, with this one right here. So there is just a fun little friendship Valentine card. Now let's look back through my cards. We have Simply Sentimental Friend right here. That's this one stamped and die cut out with the coordinating die. Here I have Simply Sentimental Friend where I die cut it out, and even though that these say friends, right? These two say friends. It's very easy to cut off that S if you want to use this as just the word friend. So you can do that. I did it on both of these. I cut this one off as well. And this one is this one right here. And I popped it up on some craft foam as well. And then we have our friend right here where I die cut it out, but I didn't use a shadow layer at all, just the word. And then we have a set right here that kind of coordinates. So I put it with that. For my sweet friend, and this is a Christmas set with some little peppermint candies in it. I think it's called Sweet, I don't remember, but we have it in the shop. So those are some more samples for Simply Sentimental Friend. I love it. You can use it with so many things, like Merry Christmas Friend, right? Hugs Friend. Okay, so now let's take a look at our brand new embellishments I was just telling you about. We have a few new colors. There's actually another color coming out. I don't have it, but I'm showing you a few of them here, and we're gonna have a little mix coming out as well. So always stay tuned at the shop. Sometimes we have releases of embellishments that come out in between releases. So you might see some of that on occasion. And so just check back regularly for what's new. And these are, well, that one was orange. This one's watermelon. This one's fuchsia and lime. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And I did use these on my cards today. So let me bring back in the shaker. You can see I used all of them. The orange, the watermelon, the fuchsia, and the lime. And just made my image to kind of coordinate with that. Isn't that fun? Love it. I use them here as kind of an accent for my clay hearts. And I love how that turned out. It's just, those are the watermelon. And then I used them on my dinosaur card as well. The lime right here. They're nice because they're flat. So it doesn't add any extra dimension to your card. So that is the sneak peek for today. And this release is going to hit the shop tomorrow. So you can then shop to your heart's content and get these fun new things. If you missed sneak peek day 1, that was all about these cute food things that we have going on in the release. Waffles and toast and toasters, just so much cuteness. So if you missed that, go back and take a look. And then tomorrow, we're hopefully going to have a live video of the complete release. And I'm hoping to be able to do a demonstration with you guys. So I am getting my live situation all set up, all the equipment, the lighting, the sound, everything. So that is hopefully going to be happening tomorrow. It'll be my first time. So come and support me, and let's make a card together and just enjoy the experience of the new release live together. So thank you so much for stopping by. And I will also remind you that we have a release hop with our design team tomorrow on Instagram and YouTube too. So that'll be available for you guys to get lots more inspiration with these cute things. And I will see you then. Happy stamping. Bye.